Hi, Richard Muse here, Property Result Investments. I just thought I'd do you another update. Things are still moving, people are still buying, people still want to sell. We're still getting properties coming in quite quickly. So just to give you a bit of idea of what's going on at the moment, and it's mainly based in Hartlepool at the moment for some reason. We've just had one in Sheriff Street a couple of weeks ago, and this was one that needed some refurb. It needed some plastering doing, it needs all new carpets, it needs new decorating, it needs a new kitchen, a new back door. How this came about, the vendor had the property for a lot of years, but he hadn't really the money or the will to complete the refurbishment, so he just wanted to sell. Had a good income out of it for many years. So we agreed with that with him, and we decided, right, yes, we didn't want to keep this ourselves, so we'd sell it on to one of our investors, and it's been snapped up pretty much straight away. Investor quite happy to do the refurb, and good letting area, and it's a big property. It's a big 2-bedroom, could be converted to a 3-bed, and here's the thing, it's under £30,000, so there's a lot of investors looking for them. And we have another one, just came in yesterday in Stephen Street in Hartlepool. Nice property. I've just been to see it this morning. It is got a tenant in, but it's been well looked after by tenant and by the owner. All rewired about 3-4 years ago. Beautiful bathroom, kitchen, living room's all lovely. The landlord's just tired, he wants to move on. He's got about 10 properties, I think we're going to get the others to sell. He just wants to move on, and some landlords do get tired of other businesses that they run, and some of them just say, right, I've done pretty well out of things, I just want to move on and sell, let somebody else do well. So that one, it'll be coming out again in the next day or two to you. And then again, it's under £30,000, and with that one, you've got a tenant and you've got an income from day one, not to be sniffed at. The next one is a block of flats in the headland on Hartlepool. Not often we get a block of flats. This is a block of 6 flats, all self-contained. It's not an HMO. Nice building, very nice building, nice area near the sea. I know they're all on universal credit, but that doesn't really matter. They're all getting paid direct. Going to be a massive yield on it. Believe me, it will be snapped up, because we have people looking for freehold blocks of flats like this, and there's capital growth. And you know, I sold one a couple of years ago, a block down on the headland. The investor is over the moon with them. He's had them, like I say, a couple of years, and absolutely loves them, providing them a nice income. Now, the next one is an unusual one. In Hartlepool, it's a commercial with residential above and to the side. It's a big corner property. Again, the vendor wants to sell, not just that he wants to be out of retirement, but I think he wants to sell for tax reasons as well. So this one has to go quickly, and I'm sure it will. It's a 5-bed upstairs flat, which has the possibility that could be turned into an HMO if you wanted, and maximise even more income of it. So that has great possibilities. The downstairs, the commercials, like a corner shop, and that's let on a 15-year full repair and insurance lease. And that's about, I think, 5 years through. So there's 10 years left to run, and you know, there is room in the lease for rent reviews, so you know, you might get more. I think it's currently generating, so it's £825. I think off the top of my head, it's about £85,000 that we're selling that at. So a good double-figure return, not to be sniffed at. What else have we got? Well, we've been offered some flats in Stockton above a commercial. Right in Duffcote Street, in the middle of centre of Stockton, being refurbished, really nice. Bit of a downside with these, it's not a freehold block, it's a leasehold, but hopefully we'll be selling them as a block of 4, and again, double figure yield, so nice return, all just been refurbished, really nice condition. We'll let about £400 a month each. Like 3 of them are 1 bed, 1 of them is 2 bed. That's generally what we've got coming through. We have more and more. I've got some more people to talk to, and I don't see things slowing down soon. And hopefully we'll get more and more deals in and get them out to you, because I'll hopefully get some of these. They'll go through legal and completed in January. I hope you enjoyed this. If you've interested in any properties at all, or you want to have a chat, no obligation whatsoever, call me on one of the numbers below, and we'll have a nice chat about it.